All right. Yesterday we discussed in the afternoon class in enough questions where after discussing the properties, using those properties, how to prove the determinants to be zero, right? I'll continue to give some more questions where answer is zero only. You have to just tell how it is zero. Okay. Have you given any
Sir,
numbers?
what about doubts?
Which doubts?
Sir, in object lessons.
Up to 44 I discussed, right?
Sir, in the even number questions, I have one doubt. 34.
Okay. After a while, okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, yesterday when I done 5 questions where that equal to 0, have I given any numbers or I just give the question?
Questions, sir.
Six.
Give the numbers, sir.
I have to give 7 onwards. All right. What is today's date? 15, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please write today's date. 6 questions are done, so 7th question in that. Sin square theta cos square theta and 11. 5 secant square theta minus 5 tan square theta and 7.
Sir, we should write first column as a first column and second column. Plus
Yes,
second.
sir.
Yes, correct. Just I would have given in the beginning. You're right. You have to just put that is 0. That's all.
Sir,
Yes, please.
for the eighth question, we should write the sum of the R3, column 3 is equals to column 2 plus column 3. And we
Yes.
should take common as AB, BC, CA.
Yes.
We will get a 1, 1, 1, which is identical. We can write it to C.
Yes, correct. You're right. Lot of people have to turn on your videos. Please, when you join the class, automatically your video should be on. Okay, this seventh one is very simple. You simply write column 1 as column 1 plus column 2. When you do that, column 2 will not change, column 3 will not change, only column 1 plus this will be 1. Maybe if you want, I'll write it. This is sine square theta plus cos square theta. This is 5 common secant square theta minus tan square theta. This is 6 common cosecant square theta minus cos square theta. Second column as it is, cos square theta minus 5 tan square theta minus 6 cot square theta. Here it is 1, 5, 6. Okay, now first column is 156. Second column is same, cos square theta minus 5 tan square theta minus 6 cot square theta. 156. Because two columns are same, it is 0. This is 0 since column 1 equal to column 2.
Sir, the last term in the ninth question, what is it, sir?
3n plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 into 3n plus 4.
Okay, sir.
Mrudula, are you there in the class? MBSS Mrudula?
Sir?
Yes. Yes, Bhavani.
Sir, can you please write somewhat big, sir?
Okay, all right.
Thank you, sir.
Will you be able to zoom the video?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right.
No,
okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, in second, ninth number, second row, is it n by 2 or r by 2?
This is r, 2r minus 1, 3r minus 2, but the second row is n only, everywhere n. N by 2, n minus 1. Only first row is r, rest all are n, and this is some n. I think this is, wait, this is one small thing. This is not r equal to 1 to n, it is 1 to n minus 1. Okay. Please correct this ninth question. 1 to n minus 1. Okay, seventh one, I hope everybody completed. Okay, eighth question, you can write column 3 as column 3 plus column 2. Then the given determinant will become 1, 1, 1 as it is, AB, BC, CA as it is. For this, when I add, I will get AB, and what is here is BC plus CA. Here also same AB plus BC plus CA, and I add these two. Similarly, when I add these two, AB plus BC plus CA. Now, in any column, you can take any element common. So, I'm going to take AB plus BC plus CA common. Taking AB plus BC plus CA common, we will get from common, okay, column 3. Taking AB plus BC plus CA common from column 3, we will get AB plus BC plus CA 1, 1, 1, AB, BC, CA 1, 1, 1. Two columns are same, it is 0. AB plus BC plus CA into 0. Since column 1 equal to column 3. So which is 0.
Okay.
Bhavani, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
in the 9th question, second row, last element is A.
Yeah, this is A. This is some A.
Sir, can we take n minus 1 as common from column, row 3?
Row 3, if you want, you can take common. I feel they may not be required, but you can take it common. Okay, 9th one, let me explain what is the question first of all. When you put R equal to 1, let us see what will happen to the sigma. When you put R equal to 1, this is 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Second row, I will not write it, third row, I will not write it. Full second row, full third row as it is. When you put R equal to 2, only first row will change because this is n, this is n, this is n, they don't change, only R is changing. You know, sigma means sum of many things. One time R equal to 1, one time R equal to 2, one time R equal to 3. When I put R equal to 2, this will become 2, this will become 3, this will become 6 minus 2, 4. And same second row, I don't have enough place to write, so I am writing like this, nothing wrong, this is R. When I put R equal to 3, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 9 minus 2, 7. And again, same second row, same third. And when I put R equal to, sorry, I'm looking cross, but it's vertical. When I put R equal to 4, this will be 4, this will be 7, this will be 12 minus 2, 10. Same second row and same third. Plus, even this I am going to change. I am going to put in the place of R n minus 1. Here in the place of this 2 into n minus 1 minus 1. The place of this 3 into n minus 1 minus 2. Same second row, same third row. Okay. So I kept R equal to 1, R equal to 2, R equal to 3, and finally here R equal to n minus 1. I removed the question determinant. Is it okay for 9th one, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, please.
Sir, up to n or only 7, sir?
Up to n minus 1. After
Okay.
this is also there. Okay.
Okay.
I removed R and wrote n minus 1.
Okay, sir. So, because terms are in AP, we can say that the determinant is 0, sir.
Not because terms are in AP. Okay.
Oh, okay. Sir, then because of what, sir?
First of all, do you think these three terms are there in AP here by any chance? Okay. It's not okay. First row is in AP, but second row is not in AP. No? Third row is not in AP.
All 3 rows should be in AP, sir.
Yes, only one row is in AP. No, not necessarily. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
It is not that this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 separated. They are not, the question is not based on that. Okay.
Sir, then how did we prove that matrix is equal to 0, sir? Determinant of that matrix?
We will prove it. We have to add all of them, find the combined determinant, then we have. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this 8th one, I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time?
No, sir.
Okay, now we discussed already that adding matrices is different, adding determinants is different. Any two matrices of same order we can add, but determinants we cannot add any two determinants. Except one row, rest of the row should be same, right? Then only we can add. So here everywhere same second row, everywhere same third row. So when I add this, I will be getting one huge determinant. Second row is same, exactly this. Third row is same. Only first row, I'd add all the first rows. Here I'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to n minus 1. Here I will get 1 plus 3 plus 5 so on up to 2 into n minus 1 minus 1. Here I will get 1 plus 4 plus 7 so on up to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2. But all of them have same second row. So same n by 2, same n minus 1, same a. All of them have same third row. Half into n minus 1. This is n minus 1 whole square. This is half into n minus 1 into 3n plus 4. Okay. So main point is when I expanded the sigma, I got sum of many determinants. All of them have same second row, same third row. Then I could add the first rows. Anybody any doubt about this step?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, that means if we want to add two or more matrices, then at least two rows or columns should be equal.
No, if you want to add two or more determinants, except one row, rest of the rows must be same. Or except one column, rest of the column must be same.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, we even wrote in the properties how to write it as sum, how to split it, and all the details. You remember that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this down part I want to erase. Does anybody want more time for writing this down part?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
All right. Bhavani, you are clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please turn on your videos, everybody.
Sir, first row and third row are identical, sir.
Yes, correct. If you use your arithmetic progression formulas, you can understand how these two are same, these two are same, these two are same. Okay, I'm going to write that separately here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n minus 1. Sum of first n natural numbers, I have formula n into n plus 1 by 2. But this is sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers. Let me write that formula. 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Based on that, 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n minus 1 is half of wherever n is there, I have to write n minus 1. So it will be n minus 1 plus 1, which is n minus 1 into n by 2. Even if you don't know this formula, still this is an arithmetic progression with first term 1 and common ratio 1. Common difference 1. You can use n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Second one, I think I told you sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Based on that, you can do it, or you can also take it as an AP. 1 plus 3 plus 5 so on up to, I'll not write the last term, I'll write up to n terms is equal to n square. Sum of first odd natural numbers, first n. In the same way, this is 1 plus 3 plus 5 so on up to, these are not n terms, these are n minus 1 terms. I would have given question up to n terms, but to understand the point only this is. So is equal to n minus 1 whole square. You can see this and this are same, this and this are same. Coming to this, that we will use just AP formula only. 1 plus 4 plus 7 so on up to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2, doesn't matter. This is an AP with first term 1, common difference 3. I want sum of n minus 1 terms is equal to sum of not n terms, n minus 1 terms. So that will be n minus 1 by 2 into 2a. A is 1. And normally n minus 1, now I have to write n minus 1 into common difference 3. That is n minus 1 by 2. And this is 3n minus 6 plus 3n minus 4 finally. 3n minus 4. Is it 3n minus 5? Yeah, that's what we're talking about the answer. But right, plus 4 here. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This is n minus 1 minus 1. Let me check for n equal to 1. When I put n equal to 1, n equal to 2. Then this is 6 plus 4, 10 by 2, 5. N equal to 2 means something wrong there. I think some typing mistake. Maybe it should be 3n minus 4. Because it's up to n minus 1 terms. If I put n equal to 2, I should get answer 1. Yeah. Can you make a correction in the question? Can you please write this as 3n minus 4 instead of plus 4? Is it okay? The original question itself, please write the last 3n minus 4. Okay, I proved how these are equal based on arithmetic progression, these are equal based on arithmetic progression, these are equal based on arithmetic progression. So I think I can just write here itself equal to 0 since R1 equal to R3. How R1 and R3 are equal? This expression. Okay, any part somebody is not able to read, not understood, please tell me, I'll explain. Is there anybody in this class joined new? Came to today's class on something like that?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Me.
Dheeraj, I think I know you. You are there, na? Why you are saying you?
Sir, I'm not speaking, sir. Somebody else is speaking.
Somebody speaking. Okay. Who is the other person who is speaking? What is your name?
Bhuvan.
Bhuvan. Achha. You joined today only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Later on in WhatsApp, I'll send you some messages. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You note down my number and send some message to me so that I will know at least. Okay.
Yes.
96528234446.
Yes.
You attended the today other class also or no?
Yes, sir. I attended.
From 8:30. You attended from 8:30?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, and only today, not yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. You are from which syllabus in 10th class?
Sir.
You are in 10th class. You are from which stream? Syllabus CBSE or state ICS?
State.
Okay. Okay, I want to arrange this whole thing. Anybody wants more time?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
1 minute,
Okay.
sir. Sir,
All right.
I logged out due to network problems, sir. That's why
Okay.
I came again.
All right, got it. Okay, let me try to write one question down below. Okay, the next question may be based on geometric progression. If somebody doesn't know about that, I'll give you some formula. Don't worry. What is this question number? I should give the next one.
10, sir.
10, sir.
10th one.
Got it. Sigma r equal to 1 to n. Determinant 2 power r minus 1. 2 into 3 power r minus 1 and 4 into 5 power r minus 1. Alpha, beta, gamma. This is 2 power n minus 1. This is 3 power n minus 1. This is 5 power n minus 1. We have to prove this determinant is 0. Bhuvan, you may not be able to understand much. Don't worry. If you're able to understand, fine. Otherwise, don't worry. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, later on. Hemanshu, I think you are overall comfortable with determinants.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now can I erase this whole thing on the board? That's
Yes.
the question. Okay. So every day our afternoon percussion class is at 3:30 only. I'll try to close by 4:30. Okay. Today I'll not extend too much up to 5 and all. So afternoon 3:30 you have a class and the same link. Okay? Every day I don't have to remind you. Okay, somebody completed this question? Completed.
The
Okay,
first
good.
row and third row are identical.
Yeah, first and third are identical. Yes, you are right. When I put r equal to 1, it will become 2 power 0. 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. 1, 1, 1. No, this is not 1, this is 2. This is 1, this is 2, this is 4. Alpha, beta, gamma. Let me write little close to far. Okay, so 10th question continuing. First it will be 1, 2, 4. Then same second row, same third row. Next, 2, 2 into 3, 4 into 5. Same second row and same third row. Next, 2 square, 2 into 3 square, 4 into 5 square. Same second row, same third row. Next, 2 cube, 2 into 3 cube, 4 into 5 cube. Same second row and same third row. Plus, so on. At the last, when I put r equal to n, 2 power n minus 1, 2 into 3 power n minus 1, and 4 into 5 power n minus 1. Same second row, same third. Okay. Now, same second row. Let me write the first row. 1 plus 2 plus 2 square, so on up to 2 power n minus 1. Here, 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square, so on up to 2 into 3 power n minus 1. I need more close to right. 2 plus 2 into 3, 2 into 3 square, so on 2 into 3 power n minus 1. Here 4 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5 square, 4 into 5 power n minus 1. Alpha, beta, and gamma. This is 2 power n minus 1. 3 power n minus 1, 5 power n minus 1. Okay, this is 0 since R1 equal to R. How first and third are equal? Some people don't know about geometric progression. Don't worry, we'll take separate classes. But right now, I'll give you a formula. If you have A plus AR plus AR square, so on up to AR power n minus 1. Like in arithmetic progression, you keep on adding D, right? You keep on multiplying with R. Multiply with R here, R here, R here, R here. Okay. This is called a geometric progression. This first term, second term, third term, this nth term. The formula is A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. In fact, if you call this as S, multiply with R and subtract, you can derive this formula easily. Okay, this is a formula for geometric progression. Just take it, we'll see later. Now coming to this. Yes, please.
This question till 1 plus 2 plus 2 square till 2 to the power of n minus 1 or answer?
Not n, because nth term itself is R power n minus 1. It is 2 power n minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Number of terms are n. Number of terms are n, but the last term is this one. Nth term is this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, like in arithmetic progression, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this are equal. Here, this by this is R, this by this is R, this by this is R. That's called common ratio. So if you look at the first GP here, 1 plus 2 plus 2 square, so on up to 2 power n minus 1. Here A is equal to 1 and R equal to 2. If I use this formula, 1 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is actually 2 power n minus 1. Similarly, if I take this, I can write here. 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square, 2 into 3 power n minus 1. This is a geometric progression with first term 2 and common ratio 3. So it will be 2 into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1. This and this are same, cancel. You will get 3 power n minus 1. Okay. Similarly, this part 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5 square, so on up to 4 into 5 power n minus 1. This by this is 5, this by this is 5. So, first term is 4 and common ratio is 5, and I'm using this formula 4 into 5 power n minus 1 by 5 minus 1. This is 4, this is 4, they will cancel. I'll be left with the 5 power n minus 1. So that's how these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. First row equal to third row, so the debt is 0.
Sir, just to try to write the first row in the terms of n of third row, no, sir?
Yes, correct. Basically, two things we have done. In all the determinant that we are adding, second and third row are same. That's why we could add the first rows. After that, we realized this is geometric progression, this is geometric progression, this is geometric progression. Sum of n terms, and we use the formula, we realize this and this are same, this and this are same, this and this are same. Bhavani, are you able to identify the letters? Bhavani, you are there in the class? Bhavani, you are there. Can you please respond?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you able to identify the letters on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we have done enough questions on proving the determinant equal to 0. I can give a lot more questions, but just so that we will know how to, the different property that we learned, how to use in the different ways. Later on in our mains material, we'll do odd number, some more questions. Okay, anybody has any problem with the geometric progression or any part of the solution?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I erase this whole thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is this now? I have to do 11th question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is not equal to 0. I am putting another one now. Without expanding the determinant. Without expanding the determinants. Prove that. Prove the following. Prove the following. Okay. So I'm going to give two determinants that are equal. Not that you simply expand fully the first one, fully the second one, and say they're equal. Not that way. Okay, first question. 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. The same as 1a bc, 1b ca, 1c ab. I have to prove these two are equal. Not that you expand this fully, you'll get a big answer. Expand this fully, big answer, and say they are same. Not that way. Maybe I'll prove one, then you'll understand how to do other one. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to take A common here, B common here, C common. Okay. Take A common from R1. B common from R2. C common from R3. One may say here A is not there. How can I take common? I'll write 1 by A after taking common. So the LHS becomes ABC into 1 by A. Because when I take something common, I have to multiply outside. No? I cannot leave it. So this is 1, this is B. Then this is 1 by B, 1 B. This is 1 by C, 1 C. Is this step okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I can take some 5 common here, then that 5 I have to write outside because it will multiply to the determinant. Okay. Now this ABC I am going to multiply to column 1. Because of any number, if it is outside, I can multiply to any single column or any single row. For example, if I have 5 times a determinant, that 5 I can multiply only to first row, or only to second row, or only to second column, or only to first column. Any row or column I can multiply.
Sir,
Yes, please.
LHS is equal to ABC. That is different, no, sir, or the same problem, sir?
Same problem. This LHS equal to this into this. I took A common here, B common here, C common. Okay.
Sir, one doubt.
Sir, when
AB, what? Sir, if we take ABC common, then we should multiply ABC to all the rows, no, sir?
No, it is not. That is the difference between matrix multiplication and determinant multiplication. See carefully. Let us say I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 1, 2, 3. This is matrix A. And there is a dead A, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 1, 2, 3. 5A and 5 times that A. There is a difference. 5A means I have to multiply 5 here, everywhere. Whereas 5 times that A means I can multiply 5 to only first row, or only second row, or only one column, or one row only.
Oh, okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. If I multiply 5 everywhere and then take that, I'll get 5 common 3 times. I'll write 5 cube times original debt. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Hemant, what is your doubt?
Sir, so in LHS now we multiply ABC to first column.
Yes, that is my next step, which I'm going to do. But from here to here, everything is clear?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I took A common here, B common here, C common here. Because A is not there, it became 1 by A. If you have a doubt, this A you multiply to first row, this B you multiply to second row, this you multiply to third row, you'll get back. Okay. Okay. Now I want to this ABC I want to multiply to column 1. I can multiply to anything I want, but I'm multiplying to this. Okay. So multiplying column 1 with ABC. Okay. I should have written here just to save the place. So when I multiply this, I will get BC because ABC into 1 by A, BC, CA, AB. 1, 1, 1, ABC. If I am going too fast,
We can rearrange rows and columns in this determinants.
yes, we discussed some problems. If anybody has any problem that I am going fast, we are not able to understand or something, I am completely friendly and open to you. Anytime you can stop me and ask me. Okay, if I am not writing properly, tell me. Okay, if my video is not clear, anything, you are facing any problem, don't keep it with yourself.
Sir, again, this step once again explains.
From LHS to this step, is it okay or any problem?
From here, okay, sir. From here, you have it.
Let us say I have 7 into some ABC, BCA, something, element. This 7, if I wanted, I can multiply here and leave this outside, right?
Yes, sir.
Or I can take this 7 and multiply 7 here, 7 here, and 7 here. So,
Yes.
okay. So this one, I can do anything I want, but I chose to multiply this to first column.
Okay, sir.
What is ABC into 1 by A? BC. What is ABC into 1 by B? CA. What is ABC into 1 by C? A.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If somebody is not comfortable, I can write one step and then maybe they'll go for ABC into 1 by A, ABC into 1 by B, ABC into 1 by C. That's what I have done. Now I will get BC, CA, AB, 1, 1, 1, ABC. Okay, now I'm almost there. I have to prove these two are equal. There is a cyclic order. The first one goes to last. I said if you change cyclic order, nothing will change. But still, if somebody wants another way, I want to interchange these two columns. When I interchange two columns, minus will come. So minus 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, ABC. So what I have done is, I have done this one here. For a one interchange, I'll get a minus. Now I'll interchange these two columns once again. Then one more minus will become, it will become plus. 1, 1, 1, ABC, BC, CA, AB. Or you can directly say cyclic order. This went to the last, okay, which is equal to RHS. So without expanding only, I could prove that these two are equal.
Here we can directly shift the rows or columns, and by like if we want to change two rows at a time, we can directly multiply with minus into minus, no, sir?
Yes, we can do that in one step. I done in two steps, but you can directly do in one step.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm giving second question now. Just erasing the question here. One a square ax, one b square by, one c square cz. What is it you can do? BC, CA, AB, ABC, XYZ. Okay, try to prove these are equal.
Sir, we should remove A, B, and C from first three columns.
First and three, first, second, third column, sir.
Multiply.
Okay.
Multiply ABC to the first column.
Yes. B Vishal, you're able to follow comfortably? I want everybody, please turn on your
Yes,
videos.
sir.
Whoever video is off, please turn on your videos. A lot of people still video is off. Hemanshu, Rupesh, Kishore, Kamsivardhan, Ashta, Kasi, Sai Kiran, Sreyash, Sai Venkat. Okay. Yeah. Some people said you take A common. Okay. Take A common from column 1. B common from common 2. Comma C common from column 3. Then LHS is equal to ABC here. 1 by A, AX. 1 by B, Y. 1 by C, Z. And that you multiply to first row. You don't have to do anything much. Okay. Multiply R1 with ABC. We are just taking this inside. ABC into 1 by A, ABC into 1 by B, and ABC into 1 by C. A here, B here, C here, X, Y, Z. This is BC, CA, AB, ABC, and X, Y, Z. That is exactly RHS. Nothing much to interchange rows and columns.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, so if you want to if we prove that two determinants are equal, so we have to see which two rows or columns are identical.
Yeah, depending on the question,
Like,
some properties. Whether to take something common, sometimes you may have to add two rows, something like this. Okay. Okay. Anybody still doubt about this solution?
No, sir.
Okay. Third question. A plus L, B plus M, C plus N, L plus X, M plus Y, N plus Z, X, Y, Z. You have to show same as ABC, LMN, X, Y, Z.
sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in the second matrix, first we will add second row to the first row and then third row to the second row.
Yes, you can do that. You said from here to here. I want you, that's correct, nothing wrong. But start from LHS and try to get RHS. Okay?
Sir, actually, can we split them, sir?
Yeah, you can split also, that's good. One of them may become 0.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so can we write R2 equals to R2 minus R3 and R1 equals to R1 minus R2?
Yes, you can do it 2 steps. First, in second row, remove from second row, remove third row. In the next step, from first row, remove the fresh second row. You will get it. Yes. It will come just neatly. Okay, so I want to do R2 as R2 minus R3. So LHS is equal to A plus L, B plus M, C plus N. From second row, if I remove third row, I'll get L, M, N and X, Y, Z, L. Nandan, you are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
You are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now this new second row I want to remove from this. So I want to write R1 as R1 minus R, which is A, B, C, L, M, N, X, Y, Z, which is RH. Okay, those are completed. Fourth question. Place. Okay, those are completed. Try to prove that these two determinants are equal. Rudula, I was calling your name in between. What happened? You are having some network issue or something? Rudula, you just joined. Can you respond?
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay. How to do that one?
Sir, first we should take A common from A first column, B column from second column, and C common from third column, sir.
Okay.
And we should multiply those with rows.
That's good. You have done this question before or you have done just now?
Just now, sir.
That's very good, Shashidhar. Okay, so this third question I'm erasing. Is it all right?
Yes, I do.
Anyway, this fourth question, multiply first row with A. But if you have to multiply first row with A, outside you have to divide with E. Because if you know you are multiplying with 7, you are increasing by 7 times, you also have to now outside multiply with 1 by 7. Or if you are not that, from first column take A common, from second column B common, from third column C common. One A you multiply to first row, one you multiply to second row, one you multiply to third row. I'm just giving the hint, but you can try it later on. I'll write the solution, but you just try based on the hint. Rows, columns you have to take A, B, C common respectively, and rows you have to multiply with A, B, C respectively. That is a hint. Sonika, are you able to follow determinants? Saket, who joined just now, you have to rename yourself. First your roll number, next your name. Saket Rukam, can you please respond? Okay, fourth bit I gave idea. Some people might have completed, others try to complete based on the hint. In column 1, you have to take A common, column 2 B common, column 3 C common, and then R1 you have to multiply with A, R2 you have to multiply with B, and R3 you have to multiply with C in the next step. Saket Rukam, can you please respond? Who is this Saket Rukam just joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know your admission number?
No, sir.
Oh, you just joined today or what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are there in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just send a message to me if you know about your admission number from the college, or at least your name and all. What is your contact number? My number is 96528234446. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me give one more question till Subhatar sir comes. Or anyway, I have another class to go. All right, we'll meet in the afternoon. Thank you.